In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design and style pop-up forms in Mailchimp. To begin, open your browser and log in to your Mailchimp account. Make sure you are using the correct account for the website where you want the pop-up form to appear. Once you are logged in, you should land on your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where you can access your campaigns, audience tools, automations, and form creation options. Next, look for the Create button in your Mailchimp dashboard. Click Create, and from the options that appear, select Sign Up Form. This is the area where Mailchimp lets you create forms that collect subscriber information and add people to your audience. Since we are focusing on a pop-up form, you are starting from the general sign-up form creation flow and then choosing the specific form type in the next part. Now, choose the pop-up form option. A pop-up form is designed to appear on your website as a small window or overlay. It is useful when you want to encourage visitors to subscribe, join a list, or receive updates without sending them to a separate page. After selecting Pop-up, Mailchimp will take you into the form builder where you can begin customizing how the pop-up looks and behaves. Before you start designing the form, select your target audience. This step is important because the audience you choose determines where new subscribers will be stored when they complete the form. If you manage more than one audience in Mailchimp, take a moment to choose the one that matches your website or campaign goal. This helps keep your contacts organized and makes future email marketing easier to manage. Once your audience is selected, move to the Layout tab. This is where you can choose the overall pop-up style. Depending on the available options in your account, you may see different layout choices for how the pop-up appears on the screen. Pick the layout that best fits your website and the experience you want visitors to have. A clean layout is usually best if you want the form to feel simple and easy to complete. After choosing the layout, go to the Fields tab. This section controls what information your form asks visitors to provide. You can add or remove form fields depending on what you need. For example, if you only need an email address, keep the form short and simple. If you need more details, you can include additional fields, but remember that shorter forms are often easier for visitors to complete. The goal is to collect the right information without making the form feel too long. Next, open the Content tab. This is where you edit the text that appears inside the pop-up. You can adjust the headline, the body text, and the button text. The headline should clearly explain the reason someone should sign up. The body text can give a short explanation or offer more context. The button text should be direct and action-focused, so visitors understand exactly what happens when they click it. Now go to the Style tab. This is where you can set the visual design of the pop-up, including colors, fonts, and images. Try to match the form style with your website branding so the pop-up feels consistent and professional. Choose readable fonts, clear button colors, and images that support the message of the form. A well-styled pop-up can make the sign-up experience feel more polished and trustworthy. After the design is in place, click Settings. In this area, configure the timing and frequency for the pop-up. Timing controls when the form appears to visitors, and frequency controls how often they see it. This is useful because you want the pop-up to be noticeable without becoming distracting. Adjust these settings in a way that feels balanced for your audience and your website experience. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the form live on your site. Mailchimp will apply your pop-up form settings so it can appear to visitors based on the design, audience, and timing options you selected. Once it is published, your form is ready to collect new subscribers. That covers everything you need to know to design and style pop-up forms in Mailchimp.